Windows everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can make your own assistant. Yes guys. And this day is a special day because you will understand how my assistants are actually works. And before starting action, I want you to subscribe and put like to my video, and let's get started. So first of all, you have to create a new text document as we're doing it always. And I recommend you to put this text document to the new folder which you created in your desktop. And the next step, you have to go to this folder and select this text document and rename it. And plus, let's just say assistant. Then change the txt format of the text file to the py. And the next step which you have to do is open this file with PyCharm. And wait a little while until this program is going to be opened and completely will install all binary modules plus Python interpreter. And it is opening. I want to talk about my assistants. As you can see, so my assistant works on fundamental structure. Today I'm going to tell you how you can use this fundamental structure and plus how you can build your own assistant fundamental structure. After opening this page, you have to press open in project category in order to open your project in workspace where you can make a lot of actions on this program. After, you have to wait a little while until PyCharm will prepare workspace for you. And then after project opened, you have to set your interpreter. Python will automatically ask you about Python interpreter. Here we are. Python asks us to select Python interpreter. After selecting the Python 3.6, you have to wait a little while. And then when everything is ready, we can start our tutorial. As you can see, so first of all, you have to import pyttsx3. So if you don't have a pyttsx3, you have to go to the terminal or you can go to the CMD. I'm going to tell you in CMD. Why? Because the majority of people may not have a PyCharm program. Not any computer can support PyCharm. So when you open the CMD, you have to write here pip install pyttsx3 and then press enter. So it's going to take a little while, and if you are a new installer of this library, you will wait a little while. In my case, I just installed it, so now terminal is checking for internet, so that's why it's going to take a lot of while. As you can see, requirement already satisfied. Great. So after doing this progress, we can explain you how it actually works. After writing this function, for example, in giant set property voice 1 ID. What did that mean? If you will write here 2, it's going to switch to the JARVIS voice. If you will write here 3 in my condition, it's going to be Russian language. Then what we have to do is a chief part of our program is to create a new file. If you don't know nothing about def, you can go to my last videos where I spoke about def function. So this is our def file which is named speak. And we put inside of this def-speak file audio, which will help us to recognize our speech. So now we have one problem. So this problem is that the program is not recognizing SR. What did that mean? So you have to install the speech recognition library too. To do that, go to the CMD and write here pip install speech recognition. If you're doing it first time, it's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. But I have installed it right now, and I'm not going to have some problem with it. So after installing that, you have to write here import speech recognition as SR. So what did that mean? You just say, for example, A, B, C, D, F, right? You just say to the program to make it short and to swap all this stuff with only A. Alright, so let's say A, B, C, D, E, alright? You have a big sentence here and you want to so you just making it little file and name it R, for example. So in my condition, I don't want to every time use a speech recognition, so thus I changing the speech recognition to the SR. So you can make it just S too. It's not going to be a problem for us. So if you're doing S, you have to change this to the S2. As you can see, you can write here anything which you want. So after doing that, we have to create the while true function. So to do that, go a little down and write here try while true, and let's write our first program. If hello in take command speak hi, that's all. So let's just check up our program. And then you have to write here except value error, and right here print none. Great. So if we will just run this, listen. Hello. It's going to depend on internet. As you can see, it said hello. So I'm going to just make a voice a lot and show you that she said or it said hello. Let's just do it again. Hello.
Hi.
Great. Our program is working, and while true shows that she, after asking us one thing, it's not gonna stop program. It's gonna ask us until we will not turn off our computer down or until we will not go out from program. So that was a fundamental structure of my program. As you can see, if you followed me the step by step, now you have your own assistant. That's all. So you will say, so on this you just spend 4 months of your life. No, guys. Exists in neural systems, and plus the connect this assistant with computer takes a lot of time. So this is just a function which will ask you and do the things which you want from it. So even you can just write a program and order it to finish, to close the computer, to block the screen, to go to the application which you require. You can do a lot of things about it, but if you want to make it more professional, you have to install a neural system to this Python. How to do that? You have to create the one or tons of folders and connect it with each other and write to each other where you want. For example, you say he'll go to the Google. The neural system have to understand that what is the Google is and automatically open those files where you keep this Google function and open the Google for you. So this is a long story, and my goal was explain you how you can make a fundamental structure of assistant, and I proved to you that this is not magic. This is just, the function which needs a fundamental. So after writing this, you can write here elif, I don't know, everything which you want. Elif, you will, for example, elif go to the search line. You can just, if you watched my video where I explained the coordinates of the system, screen system, you can install this application and use it here. For example, elif, go to my YouTube channel and you can establish the all coordinates of the screen, and program will automatically open your channel. And this is a very great program, and my professional assistant always helps me to send the emails. I say, for example, hey Jarvis, yes sir, send an email for Y guy. Y is just the guy with whom I want to send my email. Jarvis asked me, what do you want to say him? And I just tell it, and the speech recognition turns the text to the speech, or just speech to the text, opposite. So that was my video about assistant. I think that you will love it. Of course, you got the really great information, but please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's just develop, and we will be 1,000 subscribers. I believe in you, I love you, and stay with Windows. Goodbye.